The Outdoor Boys showcases the Snow Dog in action, but there's a catch.
That old Snow Dog weighs just under 300 pounds. It has no reverse on it, so it can be a bit of a pain. My throttle cable just broke. That old screw's coming loose, but if it falls out, I can't work my throttle anymore. My throttle keeps giving me trouble. I'm having to fix it every few minutes. I still got about 20 miles to go. Oh, that throttle jammed open. Oh, I'm getting too old for this. Well, it's gotten dark on me. I need to find a place to set up camp.